Welcome to our new listing at 3105 Calle Quieto in San Clemente. Welcome to our new technology. Feel free to use your fingers on the screen and move around as I walk around. We have the living room, kitchen, cooktop with 4 burners, trash compactor, oven, microwave, fridge, and we also have the 2 wine fridges. Entrance to go outside. Powder room down below. I'm filming right now. By the way, those sinks are handmade. Formal living room and dining room. Hardwood floors throughout the main level. Entrance to go outside, which we will come back to, but to give you an idea. And remember, you can use your fingers to move around and move the screen around. One of the 2.5 bathrooms. Here's the loft that was added on, which gives you the ability to have a nice little workspace that looks down into the living room. This was added on. This used to be an outdoor deck, which they added the square footage, which gives you the view of the outdoors. Storage closet. Another bedroom. Built-in loft. Let's go upstairs, check it out. Welcome to your master with walk-in closet. Why don't we just walk around it? The watch collection does not come with the house. And the master has deck. I love these palms. Master bathroom. Gigantic shower. Again, all these sinks have been handmade. And now check this out. Your little bath spa. You can fill this up and just sit in here and relax. You don't see those too often anymore. Now let me take you to the backyard. Walking downstairs. built-in fireplace, little side yard, multiple sitting areas, jacuzzi, built-in sink, fridge, barbecue, landscape lighting throughout the yard. Nice little pond with waterfall. You can add koi fish if you would like. And while I'm going through this, feel free to hit your screen and use your fingers to move the camera around as you like. As you can see, spacious yard, plenty of room, storage closet. Lay out in the sun, relax, have guests over. This house is only minutes from the beach, minutes from the nearest golf course. As you can see, it's private. Your neighbors are not looking in. And you can enter the outside and into the kitchen area, which makes it easy for cooking and serving people outside. And lastly, we have the garage. Two-car garage, tankless water. The wine is not included, nor is the McLaren, but possibly for the right price. Thank you for visiting 3105 Calle Quieto in San Clemente.